My name is Dale, and I'm here to help you elevate your vibe and attract your dream life. Today's video is on how to visualize a different version of yourself throughout the day. Now, the best way to do visualization is to practice with doing it in a form of meditation. Now, what works best is when you can do these types of meditations with your eyes closed. And you close your eyes, you have some type of trance-inducing music in the background. If you don't want to meditate on your own, I would recommend searching for a meditation that we call a guided meditation. And what you do for visualization during this meditation is you learn to feel within your own body, feel your energy, raising your vibration, being more in tune with your body. And think of a memory of when you felt love, your first kiss, your first relationship. How did that make you feel? Your first great accomplishment. Connect with that feeling. Something you did great in school or in your teen or young adult life. Something that really made you feel like, I did it. That was amazing. How could I get that feeling back? For me, I'm a drummer. I'm a musician. I love to perform for people. And in high school, I did this song by a band called Rush called YYZ. It was what we call a talent show. And we performed YYZ by Rush, and we played it perfectly. And in the middle, there's a spot where the drummer will do like a drum solo on the live version. So I took it upon myself to create my own drum solo spontaneously. And everybody at the end stood up and they were clapping, like they were just amazed with my talent. In that particular moment, I felt so much love and connection from the audience, and just everybody treated me differently after that. It was just unbelievable. But I'll finish that story on a different video. I'm just trying to get you in tune with a major accomplishment that happened for you, or some kind of loving relationship. Normally the first relationship, we really felt love in a particular moment. So embody that love you felt and start to visualize the greatest version of your current self. What are you doing? What could you be doing better with your life? Practice visualizing yourself with your dream partner, walking on the beach somewhere in Hawaii or Costa Rica. Those are my dream vacations. But visualize that throughout your day, whether it be a career change, something else great happening in your life, a family member not being sick anymore. And what I find best is doing these in your morning meditation with your eyes closed. And the best way to visualize where you're going to go with your life, where this next chapter is going for you, is picture yourself in a movie theater. Picture yourself in a movie theater watching a big screen, like in an IMAX. And on that big screen, you're watching your current life. You could even watch some of your old past life. Even the stuff that you kind of want to forget. And watch it leading up to where you're currently at now. and where you want to go with it next, which is something you're extremely passionate about. That's going to become your purpose. And the universe, it's going to help you create these images in your mind. You're going to visualize those every time you meditate. When you learn to connect with that feeling of love from your past, from that accomplishment, you're going to be able to connect on a greater level with that dream career, dream opportunity, or that perfect partner for you. And you'll start to feel the love and gratitude for it already being there. Another way is setting timers for throughout your day. Set timers, once every 2 or 3 hours. And just take 10 minutes out of your day to visualize that dream life so you can connect with that energy again. And that's going to be practicing you getting in tune with this new version of yourself that's not living in lack, that's not living in need or desire of anything. You're already good enough. You're already good enough for being you. You're going to figure this out. Just start meditating. It's the best thing that you could do. It changed my life completely. I've made so many changes in my life. I'm now back in the gym, working out every week. I'm still working a job. Picture what you're grateful for that you already have. And think of that loving energy from the past, from that accomplishment. And then start to focus on where you could go to create new opportunities for yourself, a new passion, a new purpose. And that's going to start, the universe is going to start to give you signs in your life that that's going to happen for you because of you changing your energy. And the more that you trust it, the more that you give it time and space for it to happen and not put a time limit on it, the greater the chance of it coming to life and really happening for you. So practice living with those feelings, trying to do a first thing in the morning meditation, and also doing it right before bed at night. What could also be helpful is writing a mission statement, similar to Bruce Lee's mission statement. And start it off whereas you say, I, whatever your name is, and fill in the blanks, what you're going to accomplish, how much money you're going to bring into your life if money is a goal. What's the career change for you? And then date it. Mark a date. Say by 2025, these things are going to begin happening. And in 10 years, this is what I'm going to have. And then write that in a paragraph. You can look up Bruce Lee's mission statement. I don't have it with me right now to read off to you, but I can make another video about it later. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to do with your life? Do you trust yourself that you can make these changes? I know you can. You just need to start practicing living with that feeling. The universe will have your back. I have your back. We're going to accomplish this together. We got this. Living in gratitude throughout your whole day. Having that vision in mind with your visualizations. While you're visualizing that new life, you're living in gratitude. You have to harness that feeling and carry it with you throughout your whole day. Because that's going to put you in a state of receivership. You're connecting to that version of you that already exists in the quantum field. There are multiple versions of us already right here and now. But you're tuned into the version of you right now that lives in autopilot. You live in the known. You allow every little thing that pisses you off to control the way you think and feel. But you need to become greater than all of it. And know The more patience, the more at peace you live with yourself and life. The greater the opportunities and the quicker you will manifest them into your life. If you like this video, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you for being here. Peace and love.